Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, allow me to thank the research committee for giving me time to present my article. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nerupa Maka, neither writer is Warno. I will present my article entitled The Influence of School Leadership Organization Commitment and TGM on the Performance of Public Junior High School Teacher in Tangerang District. First, introduction. The teacher performance is an important component in improving the quality of education, which will have an impact on the quality of human resources. The benchmark for the teacher performance is seen from the level achievement of result from the implementation of different tasks. The table is on the teacher performance in junior high school in each province. And the diagram shows the availability of the level of teaching teacher in Indonesia. Based on the above phenomena, this study to analyze the influence of principal leadership, organization commitment, and TGM on the teacher performance. Furthermore, these objectives are detailed into the following research questions. First, how does the principal leadership influence the TGM? Second, how does the organization commitment affect the TGM? Third, how does the influence of school principal leadership and the commitment affect the TGM? Four, how does influence of principal leadership, organization commitment of the TGM affect the teacher performance? Two, method. This is a type of verification research. The approach used in the research is a quantitative approach to test the hypothesis. This study used the explanatory survey method, which is a method collecting data obtained directly from the source by using written questions via Google Form with an ordinary scale. The population of the study were all teachers in all public junior high school in Tangerang Provinsi. In the same time, the sample of the study was 115 people. The sampling technique that we used is by random sampling. This study conducted a causal relation analysis which show how much influence the principal leadership organization, commitment, and TGM had on teacher performance. The study used PET analysis model with aim to analyze the causal relation between exogenous variable and endogenous variable. The following in PET analysis diagram relate to the research objective. This is the model diagram. Third, result and discuss. The result of the PET analysis is following as the table. From the table, show that the model is absolute fit, so the model is acceptable. From the model, this is the result of the standardization regression weight for the subtraction part 1. From the result of the table 2, we can conclude first, the principal leadership variable has positive and significant effect on the TGM variable. It can be seen that the value of P equal 3 star or less than 0.05 and the size of the score is 0.43x or equal 43.x%. Second, the organization commitment variable has a positive and significant effect on the TKM variable. It can be seen that the P value is equal 0.002 or less than 0.005. On the size of the fraction is 0.002 or equal 22%. The linear regression between the principal leader variable and the TKM variable is y topi equal 0.30x x1 plus 14.201 plus error. In the meantime, the relation between the organization commitment variable and the TKM variable is equal y topi equal 0.309x2 plus 49.379 plus error. The relation between variable the principal leadership, variable the organization commitment, and variable the TKM variable, we can write y equals 0.727x1 plus 0.193x2 plus x.289 plus error. This is the second substructure model. From the table, we can show that the direct impact of the TKM variable on the teacher performance is equal 0.42 or equal 42%. This result shows that the height the TKM variable is the height of the teacher variable. And the indirect value, first, the influence of the variable principal leadership on the teacher performance variable of the mediation of the TKM variable is equal 18%. The influence of the variable commitment variable on the teacher performance variable of the mediation of TKM variable is equal 9.2%. Third, the effect of principal leadership and organization commitment variable together on the performance variable of mediation TKM variable is equal 12.73%. For we can conclusion, it can be concluded from the result of the research and discussion refer to above that there is influence of the principal leadership variable on TKM variable. The amount influence is 43.x. This result means that the height first the principal leadership variable will be able to increase the TKM variable by 43.x%. Second, there is an influence of the organization commitment variable on the TKM variable. The amount of influence is 22%. The results mean that the height of the organization commitment variable will be able to increase the TKM variable by 22%. Third, there is influence of the principal leadership variable on the organization commitment variable, jointly affecting the TKM variable. The size of the influence is 36.2%. Or there is influence principal leadership and organization commitment variable together on the teacher performance variable of the mediation of TKM variable which is 12.33%. This is the end of my presentation.